प्रतिभा भगिनी श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते महोदय।
नामलिङ्गानुशासनं नाम अमरकोशः यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धोरगाधस्यानघा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीराः सश्रियै चामृताय च। अथ नाट्यवर्गः। प्रतिभा भगिनी भवती पारायणम् आरम्भं करोतु।
अस्तु महोदय। अथ नाट्यवर्गः निषादर्शभगान्धार षड्ज मध्यमधैवताः पञ्चमश्चेत्यमी सप्ततन्त्री कण्ठोत्थिताः स्वराः षड्जं मयूरो वदति गावस्त्वृषभभाषिणः अजाविकन्तु गान्धारं क्रौञ्चः क्वणति मध्यमम् पुष्पसाधारणे कालेऽपिकः कूजति पञ्चमम् धैवतं हेषते वाजी निषादं बृंहते गजः मयूरादय एते हि मत्ता गायन्ति पञ्चमम् काकली तु कले सूक्ष्मे ध्वनौ तु मधुरा स्फुटे कलो मन्द्रस्तु गम्भीरे तारोत्युच्चैस्त्रयस्त्रिषु नृणामुरसि मध्यस्थो द्वाविंशतिविधो ध्वनिः समन्द्रः कण्ठमध्यस्थस्तारः शिरसि गीयते समन्वितलयस्त्वेकतालो वीणा तु वल्लकी विपञ्ची सा तु तन्त्रीभिः सप्तभिः परिवादिनी ततं वीणादिकं वाद्यमानद्धं मुरजादिकं वंशादिकं तु सुशिरं कांस्यतालादिकं घनं चतुर्विधमिदं वाद्यं वादित्रातोद्यनामकम् मृदङ्गामुरजा भेदास्त्वङ्क्या लिङ्ग्योर्ध्वकास्त्रयः स्याद्यशः पटहो ढक्का भेरी स्त्रीदुन्दुभिः पुमान् आनकः पटहो स्त्री स्यात् कोणो वीणादिवादनम् वीणादण्डः प्रवालः स्यात् ककुभस्तु प्रसेवकः कोलम्बकस्तु कायोऽस्य उपनाहो निबन्धनम् वाद्य प्रभेदा डमरु मड्डु डिण्डिम झर्झराः मर्दलः पणवोऽन्ये च नर्तकीलासिके समे विलम्बितं द्रुतं मध्यं तत्त्वमोघो घनं क्रमात् तालः कालक्रियामानं लयः साम्यमथा स्त्रियां ताण्डवन्नटन।
धन्यवादः भगिनी। पुनः आगच्छामि।
अस्तु अस्तु।
कौसल्या भगिनी। कौसल्या भगिनी।
अस्तु महोदय, नमो नमः। ताण्डवन्नटनन्नाट्यं लास्यं नृत्यं च नर्तने तौर्यत्रिकं नृत्यगीतवाद्यं नाट्यमिदं त्रयम् भ्रकुंसश्च भ्रुकुंसश्च भ्रूकुंसश्चेति नर्तकः स्त्रीवेषधारी पुरुषो नाट्योक्तौ गणिकाज्जुका भगिनीपतिराबुद्धो भावो विद्वानथामुकः जनको युवराजस्तु कुमारो भद्रदारकः राजा भट्टारको देवस्तत्सुता भद्रदारिका देवी कृताभिषेकायामितरासु तु भट्टिनी अब्रह्मण्यमवध्योक्तौ राजस्यालस्तु राष्ट्रियः अम्बा माताथ बाला स्यात् वासुराजस्तु मारिषः अत्पिका भगिनी ज्येष्ठा निष्ठा निर्वहणे समे हण्डे हञ्जे हलाह्वाने नीचाञ्चेटीं सखीं प्रति अङ्गहारोऽङ्गविक्षेपो व्यञ्जकाभिनयौ समौ निर्वृत्ते त्वङ्गसप्त्वाभ्यां द्वे त्रिष्वाङ्गिकसात्विके शृङ्गारवीरकरुणाद्भुतहास्य भयानकाः भीवत्सरौद्रौ चरसा शृङ्गारसुचिरुज्ज्वलः उत्साहवर्धनो वीरः कारुण्यं करुणाघृणा कृपादयानुकम्पा स्यात् अनुक्रोशोऽप्यथोहसः हासो हास्यञ्च भीभत्सं विकृतं त्रिष्विधं द्वयं विस्मयोद्भुतमाश्चर्यं चित्रमप्यथ भैरवं दारुणं भीषणं भीष्मं घोरं भीमं भयानकं भयङ्करं प्रतिभयं रौद्रं तुग्रममित्रिषु चतुर्दशधरस्त्रासो भीतिर्भिः साध्वसंभयम् विकारो मानसो भावोऽनुभावो भावबोधकः गर्वोऽभिमानोऽहङ्कारो मानश्चित्तसमुन्नतिः दर्पोऽवलोकवष्टम्भश्चित्तोद्रेकस्मयो मदः अनादरः
धन्यवादः धन्यवादः भगिनी।
अस्तु
धन्यवादाः। One second. दक्षा भगिनी, दक्षा।
नमस्कारः महोदय।
अनादरः परिभवः।
अनादरः परिभवः परिभावस्तिरस्क्रिया रीढावमाननावज्ञा अवहेलनमसूर्क्षणं मन्दाक्षं ह्रीस्त्रपाव्रीडा लज्जा सापत्रपान्यतः क्षान्तिस्तितिक्षा भित्या तु परस्या विषये स्पृहा अक्षान्तिरीर्ष्या सूयातु दोषारोपो गुणेष्वपि वैरं विरोधो विद्वेषः मनुष्यो कौतुक स्त्रियां पश्चात्तापोऽनुतापश्च विप्रतिसार इत्यपि कोपक्रोधामर्षरोष प्रतिघारुत्कृधौ समौ स्त्रियौ शुचौ तु चरिते शीलम् उन्मादश्चित्तविभ्रमः प्रेमानाप्रियताहार्दम् प्रेम स्नेहोऽथ दोहदम् इच्छाकाङ्क्षा स्पृहे हादृट् वाञ्छालिप्सा मनोरथः कामो विलासस्तर्षाश्च सोऽत्यर्थं लालसाद्वयोः उपाधिर्ना धर्मचिन्ता पुंस्याधिर्मानसी व्यथा।
धन्यवादाः। धन्यवादः। हाँ। प्रतिभा भगिनी, इदानीम् अहं पाठयामि, भवती कृपया अनुवदतु।
अस्तु महोदय।
कुत्र अस्मि, कुत्र पाठनीयं?
व्यथा पर्यन्तः पाठितवान्। स्याच्चिन्ता
स्याच्चिन्ता स्मृतिराध्यानम्
स्याच्चिन्ता स्मृतिराध्यानम् स्याच्चिन्ता स्मृतिराध्यानम्
उत्कण्ठोत्कलिके समे
उत्कण्ठोत्कलिके समे उत्कण्ठोत्कलिके समे
उत्साहोऽध्यवसाय स्यात्।
अत्र व्यवसायः इति अस्ति,
अध्यवसायः इति नास्ति।
उत्साहो व्यवसायः स्यात्।
उत्साहो व्यवसाय स्यात् अध्यवसाय तत् एकनिमिषम्। उत्साहो
Mahodaya, in the explanation it is adhyavasaya here.
Because adhyavasaya is the right word. That's what I was thinking.
I think there is printing mistake here.
उत्साहोऽध्यवसाय स्यात्
उत्साहोऽध्यवसाय स्यात् उत्साहोऽध्यवसाय स्यात्
सवीर्यमतिशक्तिभाक्
सवीर्यमतिशक्तिभाक् सवीर्यमतिशक्तिभाक्
कपटोस्त्रीव्याजदम्भः व्याजदम्भ
कपटोस्त्रीव्याजदम्भ कपटोस्त्रीव्याजदम्भ
उपधयश्चत्मकैतवे
उपधयश्छद्मकैतवे
उपधयः ओके उपधयश्चद्मकैतवे
उपधयश्छद्मकैतवे उपधयश्छद्मकैतवे
कुसृतिर्निकृतिशाट्यम्
कुसृतिर्निकृतिर्शाट्यम् कुसृतिर्निकृतिर्शाट्यम्
निकृतिर्शाट्यं तत् निकृतिशाट्यं शाठ्यं
कुसृतिर्निकृतिशाठ्यम् कुसृतिर्निकृतिशाठ्यम्
प्रमादो अनवधानता
प्रमादो अनवधानता प्रमादो अनवधानता
I just in order to split I just told like that प्रमादो नवधानता
प्रमादो नवधानता प्रमादो नवधानता
कौतूहलं कौतुकञ्च
कौतूहलं कौतुकञ्च कौतूहलं कौतुकञ्च
कुतुकञ्च कुतूहलं
कुतुकञ्च कुतूहलं कुतुकञ्च कुतूहलं
स्त्रीणां विलास स्त्रीणां विलासविभोग
स्त्रीणां विलासविभोग स्त्रीणां विलासविभोग
विभ्रमा ललितं तथा
विभ्रमा ललितं तथा विभ्रमा ललितं तथा
हेला लीलेत्यमीहावाः
हेलालीलेत्यमीहावाः हेलालीलेत्यमीहावाः
क्रियाशृङ्गारभावजाः
क्रियाशृङ्गारभावजाः क्रियाशृङ्गारभावजाः
द्रवकेलिपरीहासाः
द्रवकेलिपरीहासाः द्रवकेलिपरीहासाः
क्रीडालीला च नर्म च
क्रीडालीला च नर्म च क्रीडालीला च नर्म च
व्याजोपदेशो लक्ष्यं च
व्याजोपदेशो लक्ष्यं च व्याजोपदेशो लक्ष्यं च
क्रीडाखेला च कूर्दनम्
क्रीडाखेला च कूर्दनम् क्रीडाखेला च कूर्दनम्
घर्मो निदाघस्वेदः स्यात्
घर्मो निदाघः स्वेदः स्यात् घर्मो निदाघः स्वेदः स्यात्
प्रलयो नष्टचेष्टता
प्रलयो नष्टचेष्टता प्रलयो नष्टचेष्टता
अवहिताकारगुप्तिः
अवहिताकारगुप्तिः अवहिताकारगुप्तिः
समौ संवेगसम्भ्रमौ
समौ संवेगसम्भ्रमौ समौ संवेगसम्भ्रमौ
स्यादाच्छुरितकं हासः
स्यादाच्छुरितकं हासः स्यादाच्छुरितकं हासः
सोत्प्रासस्समनाक्स्मितं
सोत्प्रासस्समनाक्स्मितं सोत्प्रासस्समनाक्स्मितं
मध्यमस्याद्विहसितं
मध्यमस्याद्विहसितं मध्यमस्याद्विहसितं
रोमाञ्चो रोमहर्षणम्
रोमाञ्चो रोमहर्षणं रोमाञ्चो रोमहर्षणम्
क्रन्दितं रुदितं कृष्टम्
क्रन्दितं रुदितं कृष्टं क्रन्दितं रुदितं कृष्टम्
जृम्भस्तु त्रिषु जृम्भणम् जृम्भस्तु
जृम्भस्तु त्रिषु जृम्भणं जृम्भस्तु त्रिषु जृम्भणम्
विप्रलम्भो विसंवादः
विप्रलम्भो विसंवादः विप्रलम्भो विसंवादः
रिङ्गणं स्खलनं समे
रिङ्गणं स्खलनं समे रिङ्गणं स्खलनं समे
स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापः
स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापः स्यान्निद्राशयनं स्वापः
स्वप्नः संवेश इत्यपि
स्वप्नः संवेश इत्यपि स्वप्नः संवेश इत्यपि
तन्द्री प्रमीलाभ्रकुटिः
तन्द्री प्रमीला भ्रकुटिः तन्द्री प्रमीला भ्रकुटिः
भ्रुकुटिर्भ्रुकुटिस्त्रियाम्
भ्रुकुटिर्भ्रुकुटिस्त्रियाम् भ्रुकुटिर्भ्रुकुटिस्त्रियाम्
अदृष्टिः स्यादसौम्येक्ष्णि
अदृष्टिः स्यादसौम्येक्ष्णि अदृष्टिः स्यादसौम्येक्ष्णि
संसिद्धिप्रकृतित्विमे
संसिद्धिप्रकृतित्विमे संसिद्धिप्रकृतित्विमे
स्वरूपं च स्वभावश्च
स्वरूपं च स्वभावश्च स्वरूपं च स्वभावश्च
निसर्गश्चाथवे पथुः
निसर्गश्चाथवे पथुः निसर्गश्चाथवे पथुः
कम्पोऽथ क्षण उद्धर्षः
कम्पोऽथ क्षण उद्धर्षः कम्पोऽथ क्षण उद्धर्षः
मह उद्धव उत्सवः
मह उद्धव उत्सवः मह उद्धव उत्सवः
it looked long today because 20 lines. Last time we were telling 15 lines. The last part I had kept 20 lines. That is why 20 lines we have recited today. I have taught today. We'll practice this over the week. I have one announcement to make. I think all of you must have received the mail regarding the Amarakosha intermediate assessment for Swargavarga. So there are many people who are attending and who have already by-hearted this Swargavarga. So again, there are two kinds of test. Now, this Amarakosha has got three kinds of test actually. One is a memorization test, where everybody will be given a chance, and it's a oral test where you will be asked orally. Then there will be a reading test, Parayanam, for people who cannot, who feel that they cannot memorize or Parayanam is enough or something. For them, there will be a reading test. Then there will be a computer-based multiple choice written test. That is one of the tests you can take, and certificate will be different for different categories. In this case, you can take a memorization test and a written test. You can take a reading test and a written test. So for elders, those who are unable to memorize, probably because they can understand the meanings, they know the Sanskrit. If they know Sanskrit, That is link in the written test. What will be asked is mainly the exercises that we did in the class. Like for example, we said pick the odd word out. What is the link of this? Then what is the meaning of this? Why don't give a paryaya padam for this? These kind of multiple choice questions will be there, and it will be computer based. So you will get a Google form or some. We will try to see where we have to post this test. We will send you the link. You have to answer within the time. Say 50 questions. Maybe we will give you one question, 1 minute. So because it is multiple choice, no writing, nothing, no typing, no writing. So you just have to. You should be able to read Devanagari for doing the written test. So for some, reading and written might be the ideal choice. For children who are very young and who are doing only memorization, who probably know only the meaning, or they have not studied Sanskrit to the extent of writing, to the extent of knowing the vibhakti, etc., all these things, they can only go for the memorization test. So we have 3 kinds of tests for this, and we will do some exercises we have already done for the written test format. I think you know. For the reading test, all of you are already reading. For the memorization test, I will do some mock tests, and we will conduct the test. If you are attending Narayaniam class or some other class of Vyoma Labs, you will understand how the memorization test goes. Similar way it will be done. And there will be an external scholar who will come for this. That is what we are planning. So all of you must have done the test for Narayaniam. Anybody who wants to share, who has taken some kind of a test for Narayaniam, at least the memorization test, and who wants to share their experiences can share. And if you have questions related to this test, you can ask. Now that is the this one. We will take 10 minutes to close the class, since we don't have another class today. We don't have the Subhashita class today. We will do this. The test will be held in the first or the second week of August. It was due we should have done this earlier itself, but still we will go for first week. We'll still have 15. See, once you announce the test, people like me will start studying. So after the test we start studying, then we will do something. So I think we will require 2 to 3 weeks to prepare for 100. I think we have 160 lines or 180 lines in Swargavarga. To prepare that, you will require, even if you do 20 lines per day, you will require that much time. Say 9 to 10 days for 1 round of revision, for 1 round of study, and second round, third round. You have to at least do 3 rounds of revision if you are going for memorization, and also the written test also. We should be able to answer. So it is a written test. Don't take the written test as something which we are going to publish or something. It is just a challenge for you. So please take, I would encourage all of you who are attending this class to take at least 1 test, 1 of these 3 tests, so that you are you justify your time for coming and spending the time for coming into this class, and there is an output. So Vyoma also, on behalf of Vyoma, I will also feel happy. Oh, this person has taken this test and all those things. Those who are new to the class and who have joined very new, those who are scholars, I am seeing some scholars attending this program. If there are some scholars who already know by Amarakosha fully, you can take only the written test if you want. Otherwise, you can drop the test. But you can tell me over a mail what is this one. If you are just attending for the sake of some ananda or revision or something, you have already done Amarakosha in your life, then it is a different situation for you. Otherwise, everybody, I would request and recommend that you take this test. Now over to the questions. I will just again, this hand raising, only 2 people have raised the hand. What is this secret? I am not understanding. First time I am not seeing this hand only. Only 3 people have raised the hand. Now I am seeing all the hands. Okay. There is some problem. Meenakshi Vaikalatur. What?
Namaste. ஐ ஹேவ் நான் முன்னாடி ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணிட்டேன் இதுக்கு. ஆனா அதுல ரிட்டர்ன் டெஸ்ட்க்கு நான் பண்ணல. அது திருப்பி பண்ணணுமா? என்னன்னு தெரியாம விட்டுட்டேன் நான்.
ஓ சரி. ஓகே. You can go. I think you can edit your form. இன்னொரு தடவை பண்ணிடுங்களேன். என்ன
சரி, இன்னொரு தடவை ரெஜிஸ்ட்ரேஷன் பண்ணிடுறேன். ஆனா ஒரு இது எனக்கு முன்னாடியே தெரிஞ்சுட்டா என்னைக்கு பண்ண போறான்னு தெரிஞ்சுட்டா தேவையில்லை. ஏன்னா நான் மண்டே அன்னைக்கு கட்டாயம் அட்டென்ட் பண்றேன். சில நாளைக்கு நான் மிஸ் பண்ணிடுறேன். அதனால
dates will be told to you at least 1 week in advance.
ஓகே, அப்ப நான் மிஸ் பண்ணாம வருவேன். மெமரைசேஷன் பண்றதுக்கு தைரியம் இல்ல. கஷ்டப்பட்டு பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஆனா it is not sure whether I will be able to do that. Okay. धन्यवाद. Thank you.
धन्यवाद. रेवती वेंकटरामन.
नमस्ते महोदय. नमस्ते महोदय. केकुदा?
श्रूयते.
நான் வந்து I'm a very beginner in Sanskrit. ஆனா படிக்கணும்ங்கிறதுக்காக I have taken this and always it will clash during my I will be in the bus, so I always listen. That is the reason I think one day you had called and I have not taken, and I can only read it. Can I take the exam?
Please take reading test. You can take. Anyhow,
because I'm not very confident on the written one because I'm a beginner. Because I want to learn, I have taken up this course.
Okay, so now you take the reading test. This is only the first varga. When we come to the second or the third test, you will improve. At that time, you can take the other tests. And one more thing, anyhow, the dates will be told to you 1 week in advance. So on that particular day, when the test is happening, a reading test is happening, request you to have that 1 hour, 2 hours permission. If you can,
sure. That way, since you will be telling us in advance, I will ensure that there is a time difference also for me. I am in UAE. It's only 4:30 now, so I will ensure that I am available whenever it is happening on that day. Thank you so much.
Okay, धन्यवाद.
You are all doing a great job, sir. I have improved in my pronunciation, everything. I am doing the Gita class, and Subhashita has also attended. And I am going to take the test on Wednesday. And Sharda Lipi I did. I'm extremely happy that when I started, everything started falling on my lap to learn. Thank you so much.
धन्यवादः. It is because of people like you and the students are learners like you. We are very, very happy.
To tell you very frankly, when I was 12-year-old, I wanted to learn. Now I'm 52. I'm very happy. At least I got the opportunity now.
Yes. Bhagavan is there to take care of our desires and learning desires. धन्यवाद. It is धन्यवाद. Surya Narayan Mahodaya. Surya Narayan Mahodaya, you have a question? Surya Narayan Mahodaya, please unmute yourself.
Namaskaram sir.
Okay.
இந்த email எனக்கு இன்னும் வந்துட்டல, அதனால நான் register பண்ணல. I want to do only reading test.
Okay. So I will check out. I will write down. நீங்க வந்து course pageல register பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா? Have you registered on the course page?
அதுல தான் பண்ணிருக்கேன் சார். ஆமா.
Okay. So I will note down and I will see if there may be some people who have not received the email. I don't know.
Yes, sir.
So
நான் அட்டெண்ட் பண்றது வந்து அவுட்லுக் மெயில் வருது இல்லையா, அதுல நான் வந்து கிளிக் பண்ணி இந்த வெபினார்ல ஜாயின் பண்றேன். பட் நான் ரெஜிஸ்டர் பண்ணது வந்து கோர்ஸ் பேஜ்ல பண்ணிருக்கேன்.
Okay. Very good. I will just see that, sir. It will come to you. I will see that it comes to you.
Thank you, sir. धन्यवाद.
Next, Akhila Bhagini. Akhila, yes, Akhila.
नमस्ते महोदय. श्रूयते वा?
श्रूयते.
Mahoday, memorization means test means that does this include all the exercises what we did in the class?
No, memorization means no exercises. It will
Oh.
no questions, no exercises. It will be only memorizing the verses. So I will ask like this. Say for example, Brahmatma Bhusura Jyeshtaha Parameshti Pitamaha. Or I may ask, what are the synonyms? Tell me the verses for Madano Manmatha. Then you will say Madano Manmatho Mara Pratyumno Meenaketha. That's all. Memorization. No questions on Padacheda. No questions on Linga, Vibhakti, anything. No questions will be asked. Only memorization.
Okay. Then if we want to include in that also, can we choose both memorization and written test?
Yes. That is why written test is separate. In written test, you can, that will be multiple choice and it will come into this one. There, written test means it is computer-based assessment we have given, right? So it will be a computer-based and multiple choice. So you need not know to write Devanagari. You must know to read and know what is the answer. That's all.
Okay. So in that means we can select both memorization and written test.
Yes, that is why it is not a radio button. It is called checkbox. So if, see, for example, here it is radio button. You can check only one out of these two. Whereas here it is you can check both.
Awesome.
Like that you can check. That is how it is.
And one more request, Mahoday. If there is a gap, 1 week gap between Ashtadhyayi test and Amarakosha test, it will be useful for us.
2 weeks we will keep. We will keep 2 weeks gap between Ashtadhyayi and Amarakosha. Yes, we will keep that.
Okay, awesome. And awesome, Mahoday. Dhanyawad.
I will note down 2 weeks gap between Ashtadhyayi and Amarakosha. I have noted that down. We'll definitely implement.
Awesome, Mahoday. Dhanyawad.
Very good suggestion. Dhanyawad. Jana Iyer. Jana Iyer. Shuyate.
Okay. Now I am very old the lady, and எனக்கு memorization test பண்ண முடியாது. I cannot memorize. But ஒரு மாதிரி பண்ணலாம் because I'm not very good at it, but still. So I can take reading as well as written, both, no?
Okay, please take. You can take both.
Reading as well as this thing. Reading means you will start with one sentence. I have to go through all those things.
Yes. Yes. Reading is seeing and reading. So I will show in the screen. You have to read. You have to read the screen, or you can read from your book. That also is okay.
Okay. Written test I can do. I want to take the test because I want to assess myself how much I have understood.
Okay. Very good.
Okay.
Nice.
Dhanyawad.
Venkateshwaran Gopala.
Sir, I'm audible?
Venkatesh. Yes, sir.
Sir, it's a very good format. I want to know that this reading test and written test will not be on the same day. It will be on different days, or will be on the same day.
Written, no, same day it will not be there. Written test, reading test requires a lot. There will be slots, booking of the slots. So we will circulate a Google sheet wherein there will be slots, and you have to, for one person, it will take 15 minutes to do the reading or memorization. So minimum there will be 15 minutes for one person. That format we will decide, 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So it is so that we spend some time with you to understand whether you really know to read, or what is the help that you require. And memorization also, we want to really test the memorization capability of the student. So it is about 160 lines, I think, in Swarga Varga, 165 or 160 lines. Those many lines we were testing for memorization.
Yes. Sir, one more thing. See, regarding this memorization by elders, see, what I want to point out is, you see, it requires Parayanam done over a period of time. That time may be even a year or two. See, whereas youngsters, that can be 1 month. Whereas for elders, it could be 1 or 2 years. So Vishnu Sahasranamam Parayanam, it took 2 years to memorize Vishnu Sahasranamam. So the same way, but it cannot be done like that by elders reading test, memorization in 1 month or 2 months like that. It requires a prolonged Parayanam. Then only this. I want this point to be appreciated, because many elders you have seen complaining like this, that they cannot memorize so easily. So it requires a prolonged Parayanam to be done on a day-to-day basis. Then automatically it will get in. But if you trust it, if you compress it, then that will introduce a lot of stresses in the mind. And because it is just against nature.
I am not trusting, sir. You can choose. This is purely voluntary. This test is purely voluntary. If you don't want to take, please don't take. If you feel that it is a stress, please don't do that. Do the test. So
no,
my
I'm
point.
Saying, reading and written, I can take.
I am not telling, sir. You can take whatever you want. That is what I have been telling. That is why 3 choices are given and the checkboxes are given. And with regard to your point on the time for Parayanam, we are what is the portion for the test? We are announcing Swargavarga. When did we complete Swargavarga? Please go and find out. It is 6 months before we completed Swargavarga. So by 6 months, if you have done Parayana of Swargavarga, you should be able to memorize. Swargavarga, when did we complete? I am not talking about Natyavarga. Natyavarga, we are just now studying. Or Kalavarga, we are not just now studying. Find out when we completed Swargavarga, that date. You see from that date, what is the date today? How much time? At least there will be 3 months gap from where we have completed 180. We can go to the course page and see. So there has been quite a number of days that we have passed. Actually, we are supposed to give immediately after Swargavarga. So your logic of giving time for Parayanam is also being satisfied. But if it is of stress to you, please don't take it. I am not forcing you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
For none of them, this is a force. Even for children, it is not a force. This is a pure, I should have written that. It is purely a voluntary test. But if I write purely voluntary test, nobody will take. But I am openly telling the class, it is if you feel that you are stressed by taking these tests, please don't take it. Dhanyavadaha. Panchanadam, sir. Panchanadam, sir, you have any questions?
Can you hear me now?
I can hear you now, sir.
Yeah, I guess. What I was saying is, the comments by Venkateshwara Gopala is good, but then your answer is good. You have already finished 6 months ago. So, yes, memorization requires discipline. The thing which problem I have is I have taken too many courses. So it's like trying to eat all the food, at the same time. So I'm going to only take the reading and writing test. But yes, you can do that. However, it is a question of Parayanam on many avritis you have to do. I also take the Narayanam. I can read very well, but I cannot memorize because I have to keep on doing it every day. So yeah, for me, I'm not taking it. I'm not under pressure, but I'm saying the expectation is for me. I'm convinced that I can only do reading. I cannot memorize it. But it's right.
No problem.
But it does make you think. That's one thing. The advantage for me is it makes you think you can do it. There is no age. 100% agree with you. Age has nothing to do with the memorization. It's a question of concentration and discipline, at which we kind of take it, become lazy a little bit.
Correct. Dhanyavada. My sincere request, only request, if it can be accommodated, you take at least one of the 3. Reading test, for having attended the class for so many days, at least even if written test is not possible, reading test if you take, I will feel happy that somebody is reading. that they are reading Amarakosha. They are able to read Amarakosha. Today you are able to read. 2 years after that you will be able to teach. Seeing the book. After 4 years afterwards, you will be you would have memorized, and you will be promoting the memorization of this grantha to everybody. That is how these kind of granthas they get the knowledge dissemination happens from generation to generation. We should approach this with a higher purpose in life, that we as should promote this learning, and we should transfer this knowledge to others. In that perspective, if all of you take it, it will be very nice.
Another comment is, even though youngsters memorize it and they do it, it will be, you already made a comment knowingly or unknowingly, it will be in their short-term memory. To keep it in their long-term, they have to keep in touch with it. If they keep in touch with it, yes, they will do. Because I'm 72, many things which I keep in touch, I can say it at the back of my fingers. Others, I just put it on the back shelf. I have to go back and refer to it. So, yeah, it's good. It's good. It's a big challenge to take it, try to do it. So failure is okay. If you make a mistake, it's fine. Who knows? Nobody is going to punish us.
If it nobody is going to punish it, and the scholar who comes to evaluate you also will understand. And I will brief them before itself that the fact that you are all coming to the class itself is great. By devoting time and coming to the class and trying to learn this grantha, promoting this grantha, talking about this, that Vyoma is doing this, and spreading this word, making other people come. This itself is great service that you are all doing. So, but personally also you should feel happy that I can read now. I was here, now after this class I am here. I have there has been an improvement in myself. As long as you get to know yourself, that this one, and you communicate to me as a teacher, I will feel very happy. You will feel very happy. I will feel very happy. That happiness is what
Absolutely, there's no question. There's no question. See, I have got referred to search for Amarakosha before your classes. I get bits and pieces of information. I have 2-3 books already. They don't make sense unless somebody initiates you how to read that, right? Ramanathan commentary, I read it. It's something, it all comes in bits and pieces. Somebody puts it there, this is how you start, this is how you understand this. So you get that orientation, then you can make sense out of it. That's what I'm getting out of your class. I have 4 or 5 copies of Amarakosha. I've kept it for the past 10 years, right? So how am I going to read it? How I find my way around? And you need to stop somewhere there, and that's how you read it. Then you go back and study this. So for people like me, that's what I would recommend. Memorization is not necessarily a 100% guarantee, but at least you know where it is, where to find it, and get the answers. And then several questions you don't know. I'm reading Soundara Lahiri. They're using Samasa words. How do I know the answers? So go back to the fundamentals, go search for it. So that's what they are learning in the Amarakosha. You go take the words. There are 2 split words, there are so many meanings. So that's the biggest advantage, knowledge I am gaining by attending this class. Not only your Sanatana Dharma, Narayani, and this and that, including your Aditya Hridaya Stotra. So that is the biggest thing for everybody. Of course, children, they may not be mature enough to go into the details, but once they become adolescent, they will appreciate more of that. Anyway,
Dhanyavada. The greatest thing is we should all appreciate that when we were children, when I was a child, I didn't have these kind of opportunities to learn Amarakosha. My grandfather initiated me in Amarakosha. But if not for my grandfather, I have not seen any teacher initiating me in Amarakosha, Sanskrit teacher, because they don't have time to teach this. So you don't have these kind of opportunities. You didn't have these kind of opportunities when I was a child. So for the children, what I can say is, if they use this opportunity and memorize this and they can become scholars very easily. They can become scholars very Vriddha Sishya Guru Yuva. But by the age of 15, if you are having Amarakosha Ashtadhyayi by hearted, then that means your foundation is so strong, you can build a Eiffel Tower on top of your foundation. You don't require anything. So that is why we are all doing this. I did not get this knowledge when I wanted it when I was a child. it was not easily available for me.
And I had the resources, but knowing the resource is one, but then you have to know how to use it.
Correct.
You know what I mean? How to use it is difficult. Ratchadhyaya, I had the book, but what does it make sense? What is the avriti, anurti, all these things like this? You don't know unless somebody tells you. That's how you do this. And that's the biggest thing I get out of this yoga classes, because I started taking Samyaji's classes, Neeraj, the viewers, and things. It makes sense that that's how the language is built. So many of the mysteries are going, fading away. So now you are in a situation, if you're given a task, like a research scientist, right? You don't know the answers. You're given a task, you know how to go about, look for things, try to figure out. And so that is one knowledge. The other is memorization. Memorization is fine when you are young, but this is more in-depth knowledge, how things are and where you get it.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. So I know there are many people who have raised the hand. I will take one question for today. Tomorrow we will answer the other questions. Balam sir is there. Then Ramachandran is there. Rama Bhagini, if you don't mind, tomorrow I will take your question. Amit Mahodaya, Bhavatam Prashnaha Kaha?
Mahoday, किम अहम memorization test, reading test, written test त्रयोपि स्वीकर्तुं शक्नोमि?
यदि भवान् मेमोराइजेशन स्वीकरोति चेत् रीडिंग टेस्ट इत्यस्य आवश्यकता नास्ति.
धन्यवाद महोदय. तर्हि अहं फिल कृतवान् फॉर्म तु.
किं त्रयमपि फिल कृतवान्? चिन्ता नास्ति, अहं परिवर्तनं करिष्यामि.
धन्यवाद महोदय. ममापि समयः ददातु भवान्.
अवश्यं ददामि. भवान् प्रति अवश्यं ददामि. क्षम्यतां यदि अहं समयं न दत्तवान्, कृपया क्षम्यताम्.
धन्यवाद महोदय. और मैंने अभी तक बहुत अच्छा ही हम लोगों के लिए, और हमने वैसे मैं JRF हूँ और शोधक छात्र भी हूँ. हम लोगों का PhD कोर्स वर्क चल रहा है, लेकिन हम लोगों के लिए बड़ा ही नया अनुभव है अमर कोश को पढ़ना और अष्टाध्यायी के लिए. तो बहुत अच्छा है ये आपके द्वारा जो प्रयास किया जा रहा है सर.
भगवान की कृपा है और आप सब लोगों की प्यार है, और बड़े लोगों के, जो बड़े लोग यहाँ क्लास में आते हैं, उनके आशीर्वाद है, उनका आशीर्वाद है.
धन्यवाद सर. प्रणाम सर.
धन्यवाद. Rama Bhagini, you also didn't get the mail. I will note down. Rupa Sudha, I think Raja Raman, mail not received. Okay, I understood. So those who have typed their mail not received, I will make a note of it. Revati, we have spoken. Then okay, Rupa Sudha Bhagini is there. We will talk tomorrow. Rupa Sudha Bhagini and Balam sir will talk tomorrow. So I will note down Raja Raman, Rama Ramachandran, and Raja. Okay. धन्यवादाः. स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः. गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं. लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु. धन्यवादाः.